Hey, this is Danielle, and welcome to my Trade Idea of the Day video. Today I'm going to be talking about Interactive Brokers, which has pulled back to the 50 simple and it's bouncing really nicely. It already reported earnings, and after the earnings call, it did pull back slightly, 0.9%, and then it pulled back a little bit further. However, I like earnings moves like this where we see just a slight little pullback, especially if the company beat, they're doing well, they had a lot of positive things to note. Because what can happen is you can then trade the squeeze after that earnings report, and you now don't have to worry about, when the earnings report is going to be. So you can see it's been in consolidation, just made a new high recently. And I think that we could trade this up into $100 a share. So I feel like that's a pretty clean price target. Nice little Fibonacci level that comes in right at 188 and then 104.75 with a great entry point. So with this ticker, I like just buying the stock, to be honest. It has some pretty solid trends. They've been, they have beat earnings recently. We've also seen a pretty significant rally going into earnings recently as well. Over the course of the last 2 years, on average, it's traded higher by about 9.5% before that earnings report. So that's showing some pretty strong bullish momentum going into earnings. If you look at the actual numbers themselves, you can see that last quarter they were estimated to earn 63 cents. They made 69. Quarter before that, they were estimated to earn 61 and they made 60. So pretty close there. Quarter before that, estimated to earn 51 and they made 65. Nice move there. Quarter before that, they were estimated to make 50 and they made 57. So, pretty solid recent trend, I would say. You can see that it has a bullish trend on the daily chart. It's stacked moving averages. It's respecting all these moving averages. So I would say overall, this stock looks a little bit like a honey badger. It's kind of doing its own thing despite what we're seeing in the rest of the market. We've seen a pretty big pullback in a lot of these AI names, and that's not the case for this one. So I like this one up to 100. Thank you very much. And if you want to check out Henry's webinar, Henry did a really awesome webinar on the zero DTE strategy that he uses all the time, and you can check out the link at Simpler Trading at simplertrading.com/0DTE-income-replay. Henry's going to be having a class this Saturday, so definitely encourage you to check that out if you like trading the zero DTE SPX. And other than that, if you would like to make your own options earnings calendar, and if you would like to do some earnings analysis, check out optionsearnings.com. You can go ahead and edit your own custom calendar. You can check off the tickers you're not interested in seeing. You can save your work, and then you can download your image. So hope you have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next video.
Hey traders, thanks for watching this video. If you want to make sure that you get all of our free trading content, make sure you hit subscribe, and also give us a like and comment down below. If you want to learn more about us, and if you want to join us for live trading in real markets with real money, make sure you go to simplertrading.com where you can join us for more info. Thank you very much and have a great day.